everyone! Welcome back to English with Luna. I'm Luna, and today I have a very special friend with me. His name is Rusty.
Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for inviting me, Luna. It's really nice to be here.
I'm so happy you're here. You usually talk about business, right? But today we will talk about something more fun, food.
Yes, food is a topic everyone enjoys. It is simple, but it can be very interesting.
Exactly. We will share our favorite foods and talk about why we like them. And we will also learn some easy English words.
Yes, I look forward to this conversation. Food is not just for eating, it is an experience.
Okay, let's start. Rusty, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is risotto. It is soft rice cooked with care. The flavor is very rich and balanced.
Risotto sounds amazing. I have tried it once. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza because you can add cheese, tomato, vegetables, or even pineapple if you like.
Pizza is a good choice. It is simple, tasty, and many people love it everywhere.
Yes, pizza always makes people happy. It is one of those foods you can eat anytime.
Indeed, food can bring joy, comfort, and even memories.
Okay, everyone. Now let's practice how to order food in English. This is very useful if you go to a restaurant or cafe.
Yes, ordering food is simple, but it is important to be polite. For example, you can say, "Can I have a pizza, please?"
Exactly. You can also say, "I would like a pizza with cheese and tomatoes, please."
Another phrase is, "Could I have some water, please?" Always remember, please. It is polite.
And don't forget to say thank you after you get your food. For example, "Thank you very much."
Yes, politeness makes a big difference. And you can also ask questions about the food. For example, "What is in this pizza?" Or, "Is this risotto spicy?"
Right. You can say that when you're not sure about ingredients. It's very helpful.
Also, you can describe what you want in more detail. For example, "I would like a pizza with extra cheese and mushrooms."
Or, "I would like risotto with vegetables, please. I don't eat meat." This helps you practice new words like vegetables, meat, cheese, mushrooms.
Yes, and when you get your food, you can describe it to practice speaking. For example, "The pizza is very tasty. The cheese is soft and the tomatoes are fresh."
Describing food is fun. You can practice with friends or even by yourself. Say, "I like this pizza. It is cheesy and delicious."
Exactly. And you can also ask someone else, "What do you like on your pizza?" This helps make a conversation in English.
And remember, everyone, the most important thing is to speak and enjoy it. Don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, practice is more important than perfection. Speak slowly, use simple words, and repeat phrases until they feel natural.
So now you can try at home. Imagine you are in a restaurant. Ask, "Can I have a pizza, please?" Or, "I would like a risotto with mushrooms."
And don't forget to add please and thank you. Politeness is always important.
Perfect. Now we practiced how to order food, ask about ingredients, and describe what we like.
Yes, this is very useful for everyday English. Food is a great way to start talking.
Okay, everyone. Now let's talk about how you can practice English every day. Food is a great way to start.
Yes, you can use meals, snacks, or even drinks to practice speaking and asking questions.
For example, you can ask someone, "What do you usually eat for breakfast?"
Or, "What is your favorite snack?" These are simple questions, but they help you speak more.
And you can answer, "I usually eat eggs and bread for breakfast." Or, "My favorite snack is chocolate."
It is also useful to describe food. You can use words like sweet, salty, spicy, sour, fresh, soft, creamy.
Yes. For example, I can say, "This pizza is cheesy and very tasty."
And I can say, "The risotto is creamy and has a rich flavor."
You can also practice by talking about what you want to order. Even at home, imagine a restaurant and say your order in English.
Yes. Another tip is to listen and repeat. You can watch food videos, podcasts, or even cooking shows in English. Repeat the words and sentences to improve your pronunciation.
Exactly. And don't worry about mistakes. The more you speak, the better you get.
Yes. You can also make small conversations with friends or family. Ask, "Do you like pizza?" Or, "Which is your favorite food?"
Yes, and you can describe why you like it. For example, I like pizza because it is tasty and fun to eat.
And I can say, "I like risotto because it is soft, creamy, and full of flavor." This helps you practice adjectives and full sentences.
So everyone, you can use food, drinks, and meals as a way to practice English every day. Ask questions, answer, and describe what you like.
Exactly. And remember, consistency is important. Speak a little every day, even 5 minutes, and you will improve quickly.
Yes, the most important thing is to enjoy the conversation and not be afraid to speak.
Food is not only for eating. It is a wonderful topic to start practicing English.
All right, everyone. Next, we will show some mini exercises to practice asking and answering about food. Okay, everyone. Now it's time for some mini exercises. This is your chance to practice English with us.
Yes, we will ask questions and you can answer. Speak out loud if you can.
First question. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
You can answer, "I usually eat eggs and bread," or "I usually eat fruit and cereal."
Second question. What is your favorite meal of the day?
And your answer can be, "My favorite meal is lunch," or "My favorite meal is dinner."
Third question. Which food do you like the most?
You can say, "I like rice the most," or "I like salad the most."
Fourth question. How do you like your food?
Here, you can use simple words like hot, cold, sweet, salty, spicy, soft, creamy, fresh.
For example, I like my food hot and fresh, or I like it soft and tasty.
Now, let's do a small conversation together. I ask a question and Luna answers. Then we switch.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and vegetables.
Which meal do you like the most?
I like breakfast the most because it gives me energy for the day.
See, it's simple, but practicing like this helps you speak better every day.
Yes, repeat these questions and answers with a friend, family member, or even by yourself. Consistent practice is the key.
Exactly. You can also make your own questions. For example, what do you eat on weekends? Or which food do you want to try?
Try to answer in full sentences. For example, on weekends, I eat eggs and fruit. Or, I want to try pasta with vegetables.
Perfect. Now you have many exercises you can practice anytime. Keep speaking and enjoy learning English.
Yes, practice a little every day and your English will improve naturally.
Exactly. And remember, the best way to learn is to use English in your daily life. Talk, ask questions, describe things around you, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thank you so much for watching today, and a big thank you to my friend Rasty for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new.
It was my pleasure, Luna. Thank you to everyone who watched. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy speaking English every day. Remember, learning is easier when it's fun.
That's right. See you next time on English with Luna.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care and keep practicing.